Good morning, class. I'm going to teach you 5.1. I will do each section individually. First of all, evaluate. Negative exponent means flip it, guys. Flip it. It's an F word, four-letter F word in math. Flip. Negative exponent means flip it. This is 3 over 1, so we flip it. 1 over 3 squared. Notice it's now squared, not -2, because I flipped it. Once you flip it from top to bottom or bottom to top, the negative is gone, which means 1 over 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Next one, negative exponent, flip it. Again, -3 times -3 is 9, 1 over 9. Next one's different. Notice the parentheses. Negative's out here by itself. Stays negative. -1/9. Please be careful about that. Next one. Flip it. 5 to the -3. By the way, you can find this worksheet in resources. Look at resources on Sakai. 5 cubed is 125. Next one. Same base. Add the exponents. 4 plus 6 is 10. Next one. Not sure you can see it. Next one. Negative exponent. It's the only thing that flips is what's right in front of it. I have 4 times 5x over x to the third. What cancels? 1x. Take away 1, I have 2 x's. 4 times 5 is 20 over x squared. That's what I got. Next one. -2 times -5 is 10. I have y to the -3. Flip it. Y to the 4th stays. 3 of these, cancel 3 of these, and leave 1. 10 to the y is our answer. Let's do I first. Any number to the 0 power is 1. But let's look at h. The negative just hangs on because it's not in parentheses. Any number to the 0 power is 1, but there's a negative out front. It's -1. Please know the difference. Next one. Let's multiply. -2 times 3 is -6. A to the 5th stays on top. B to the -6, flip it. A to the -5th, flip it. B squared stays on top. Now we can reduce. A to the 5th, A to the 5th, gone. 2 A's, mark out 2 and leave 4. 6 over B to the 4th, that's what I got. -6 over B to the 4th, good. Flip what you need to flip. 5 stays, A flips. Down here, A squared stays, 2 flips. On the top, 5 times 2 times 2 is 20. A to the 3 plus 2 is 5. That's what I got. Beautiful. Look at the next one. 2 to the 9th over 2 to the 4th. Subtract exponents. 4 of these, mark out 4 of these, and leaves 2 to the 5th. You can figure that out. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. Next one. Negative exponent means flip it. You have m to the 5th times m to the 3rd, m to the 8th. Add exponents. Next one. Flip it. G squared over g to the 4th. 2 of these leaves a 1. 2 of these leaves a 2. 1 over g squared. Next one. If you have x to the -7 over x to the -7, they cancel. The answer is 2. Next one. Flip what you need to flip. X to the 1st flips. X to stays where it is. Come to the denominator. X flips. Y stays. Now reduce. 2 of these, mark 2 of those off, leave 3. 2 of these, mark 2 of those off and leaves 1. On top, I have y to the third. X times x is x squared in the denominator. Now I will erase. A little bit more to do. Get my other paper. I believe there are 5 zeros here. You can look on your paper. My eyes aren't as good as they used to be. So when you have scientific notation, that simply means a number between 1 and 9 inclusive, followed by a decimal point and whatever significant digits there are, times a power of 10. In this case, it's 5. Positive means move to the right. So I move the decimal places 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to make 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 762,000. Next one says to the negative fourth. Negative means go left. Here I go left 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm adding 3 zeros. 0.000635. The next one I want to put into scientific notation. So it's 9.34 times 10 to some power. This is where the decimal point is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It would be to the 8th power. Here's how I know it's positive. Look at your scientific notation number. If it's a positive, it means you go right. We'd be where we started. This one will be negative. 2.5 times 10 to the negative something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 6. Beautiful. That is our first lesson. You may do that homework. Thank you.